Hello, this is David Xie with the Xie Mortgage team. We talked about a lot of different scenarios on how to purchase homes and how to purchase investment properties. Recently, I had a broke college student call me. I was like, okay, broke college student, what's your question? Well, he said there's two things. Right now, I'm going to school as an art major. I'm taking like some really advanced classes and a heavy hour workload, but I really want to buy my own home. And how can I do that? Because I've been watching a lot of your videos and thank you for watching the videos and contacting us. How can I purchase a home without income? The second part of his question was like, well, I'm getting ready to graduate in a couple years, and I know starting out, how do I purchase a home with lower income? And how would I provide the 2 years of work history? So we're going to address those two things today. Please be sure to stay tuned. So, number one, the first part of his question was, I'm a broke college student, I have no income. How do I qualify for a home? Luckily for the broke college student, I was able to present a couple different options to him. Broke college student, he's living in the house as his primary residence. He has a mom and dad who have been extremely financially responsible, saved money for him with a college savings plan, basically put him through school. With the responsibility, they've paid off a lot of different debts that they had, and they own a house, with a very low mortgage payment, with a low balance, 10-year loan, quick payoff. Typical scenario of how people have kind of like grown since the last recession, or that we've had back in 2008, 2009 during that bubble, right? We saw a lot of people refinancing, getting into those 10 and 15-year loans, took advantage of the lower interest rates and just aggressively paid those down, paid off debt and things like that. I suggested to the broke college student, I said, hey, why don't we get mom and dad to co-sign for you? Mom and dad could co-sign, and at that time, he really didn't have any credit, okay? So, we could have did an FHA loan with no credit. However, because he had no credit, good nor bad, we had mom and dad put him on a credit card. Putting him on the credit card allowed for him to, season and get credit, after a month, because he was actually put on as a joint borrower. So immediately his credit score jumped up to a 700 plus credit score because of mom and dad's good payment history and the length of credit. Mom and dad co-signed as a co-borrower along with the broke college student, and they qualified based on mom and dad's income. This can be treated as a primary residence because the broke college student is actually living in the house. The mom and dad are not living in the house. So we could, do the loan with FHA, which has mortgage insurance, which you'll have to pay over a certain period of time. However, if you're buying a multi-unit, FHA may be the best solution for you because you only need 3.5% down, versus a conventional not occupant co-borrower, if it's a multi-family unit, would require 25% down. However, he was buying a single family home, so it was only 5% down. We could use the non-occupant co-borrower's income to qualify, and off we go with qualifying for a home. We qualified him for a home with a conventional loan with mom and dad co-signing. He has zero income to qualify. However, mom and dad's debt to income ratio certainly carried the loan. The second part of his question was like, hey, I'm graduating with an art degree, going out into the world nowadays, the salary is not going to be high. So if I want to continue to purchase homes, how would I be able to qualify without that 2 years of work history? Well, that's a great question. We can actually use his college transcripts and have that as a continuation of income. So in the past, as long as we have a job offer letter with a guaranteed start date, within reasonable time of the loan closing, then we can use the continuity of the schooling, okay, with a copy of the transcripts, along with the employment history or guarantee, and basically we would be able to pull up 2 years of employment history, whether it be a VA loan, FHA loan, conventional loan, USDA loan. So there's that 2 years of continuity. If you're a broke college student, or if you're in college and you just need help qualifying, I've got a lot of history helping other clients with this type of scenario, whether it be limited income, freshly graduated out of college, or someone that doesn't have the income to qualify. My name is David Xie with the Xie Mortgage team. I'd love to help you out, and I can be reached at 757-478-8493. Please be sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more content, and hit the notification bell for any new content that we put out. And I would love to help you out. Thank you. Bye.